Think fast, you have 10 minutes to evacuate. Do you know what must-have items you need to protect you and your family? Come along with me as we put together a 30-second emergency kit. Put photocopies of important documents like your driver's license, passport, and prescriptions in a waterproof folder. Stay tuned for our upcoming vehicle and pet emergency kit videos, as well as a video on how to assemble a low-cost DIY air filter. For more emergency preparedness information, please visit albertamétis.com/emergency-preparedness or email wildfires@métis.org.